Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have another unboxing video for you guys. This is another package from Miss Kate, and I showed you guys the last package for June, her June box, and the summer paper was so beautiful, vibrant, and colorful. Usually a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I created the cutest little album with it and it turned out fabulous. So she also sent me the July box. I am just now getting to opening it up, but I wanted to share with you guys what the July box looks like, and that way we can open it up together. I'm excited because the June one was honestly more than what I was expecting, and just more beautiful than I was even thinking, and it's just so awesome, and it's such a great deal. And it really depends on which subscription you do, but she has the regular subscription, which is just like the paper, and then you could also get the subscription with all the solid papers, and that, you guys, is totally worth it. You get so many solid papers, and not to mention you get a lot of the pattern paper also. I think it's 18 sheets as opposed to 12 in a collection kit, so you do get a awesome amount of pattern paper. But I think the solids, correct me if I'm wrong, we're going to see in a second anyway, I think. But I think the solids, there was 36 sheets, you guys, and I'm still using them. I'm using them with other summer papers. I used them in another album where I needed like some yellows and greens. I forgot what album I used them, but like, just because they're summer matched with the summer collection, like, doesn't mean you have to use the solids just for that. And so I highly recommend getting the solids as well, because you can use them for so many different collections. So this is the new box, and I'm loving this already. Look at this. Perfect for the 4th of July. I wish I opened this sooner, but I didn't. But oh my god, we're still gonna have to make something with that. This is like the cutest, honestly, the cutest 4th of July paper I have ever seen in my life. And I think 4th of July paper, and like really nice 4th of July paper, is super duper hard to find. So this is beautiful. I can't wait to open that and show you guys. But like, just seeing the papers from the front, oh my gosh, gorgeous. So this is the Cardstock Lovers box. It includes the 12 by 12 paper, you get die cut stickers, and you get matching 12 by 12 cardstock. So she is Miss Kate Designs, I think, on Instagram, or Miss Kate Cuttables. I will link her. She also has her website. I'll link that down below as well, because guys, if you didn't get the July box and you got the June box and you were waiting for me to open up the July box, go get yourself the July box, and hopefully she still has some more, because wow, honestly, my new favorite July paper. I hope this is something that she also sells, like just in her shop by itself without just a box, because yes, so beautiful. And yes, you get 32 sheets. I was so close, I said 36. 32 sheets of solid cardstock. So let me open this up. The pattern paper, we'll show you the die cuts, the stickers, all the stuff. All right, I think this just blew me out of the water, like even more than the summer one did, because oh my gosh. All right, this is called Stars and Stripes, and she always has a pattern on the very back of the kind of information sheet, like the cover page. And already I am love the florals and the red, white, and blue theme. The little strawberries are adorable, so cute. Here's this. I think the last thing after I saw the last summer ones, I just wish there were more cut aparts with sentiments on it, like 4th of July, fun on the 4th, maybe Stars and Stripes, or America, or something. Like, that was my one thing. I just wish there was more, but there is stuff in the die cut, so if you wanted to add it onto here, you could totally do that. So there's that. Oh, I love this one. This is such a pretty paper. And then the back, all American, July, red, white, and blue. So there are some with like words on it, and these are 3x4 size cut aparts. So are these. These are mixed with 3x4 and a couple of 4x6s. I love the cut aparts, but like I said, I just wish there was more with sentiments, like maybe, I don't know, stars and stripes, or I don't know, something. Oh, that's actually the name of this collection. Okay. But anyway, so then there's this pattern paper here. I love that. I just love these kind of like plaid checkered kind of designs. There's more 3x4 size cut aparts on the back here. And these like have no words on them. There's these bows. This is beautiful, another beautiful paper. I'm really loving the colors in here, the different shades of blue, the red, the white. I love this for a 4th of July themed paper. These ones are 4x4 size cut aparts. Oh, there we go, stars and stripes right there. Then there's this fireworks paper with the stars on the back, like a red background with white stars. There's this floral piece. I don't know if you guys could tell. And then the back side has these little flowers. You've got this one with bows and like banners. And the back side is polka dots. I love the strawberries. How cute. And it's still part of the summer theme. Like the June box was very, very summery and like palm trees. This is still summery, but with the 4th of July colors, and I love it. Oh, we get another one of these. I think it's a little different than the last one, if I'm not mistaken. Where was that? Oh yeah, very different. Okay, we did that. This one is such a pretty paper as well. These flowers, I love that. And I actually really like the background too. It kind of just looks like jeans, like a jean kind of color background, and I'm here for it. I love it. And then we get the stars here in light blue. You get these flowers, this checkered in blue, and then this pattern again, but with the red background this time. And darker blue polka dots. I think the last one was light blue. The stars, well, not the stars, the flag, the American flag. And so stars on the back. You get another one of these flowers. This one has a lighter blue background. The last one was like a dark jean. And the back. Get these florals. I'm excited. I'm excited to make something with this. I know we're past 4th of July, but still. How cute. I did totally mean to like open this sooner. Oh, thank you. Vacuum's gonna go on in 30 minutes. What was I gonna say? I did mean to open this up earlier and make something and post that within the crafting and posting every day in July, but I just did not get to it. Guys, I'm so glad also that this is the last day, because I don't know if I want to do that again, not unless I have all the videos prepared in advance, because that was a lot. And then with the 2 tutorials that I did and the cutting guides and the paper matting, like it just took so much time. So I don't know if I want to do that again. Oh, I love this. Strawberries and blueberries. How cute. Love that paper. But yeah, so I'm excited this is the last day. Fireworks. But of course, you guys are still going to see crafty projects on my channel, just not every single day anymore. But as always, I will still be posting. What is this? Oh, the sticker sheet. And see, these guys, you can add these to the cut aparts if you want to, decorate a little bit more. If you have any die cuts for 4th of July, you could totally just die cut some stuff out as well. But there's also die cuts in here, and these are larger though than the stickers. They're like the same as the stickers, but you could see that this July is a lot bigger than that July in there. So it's like the same thing, just slightly bigger. So I love that these are included as well. And then you have the Stars and Striped smooth cardstock, and I really love this cardstock, you guys. It's not just like a plain color, but it kind of in some areas also looks distressed, and I think that adds in so much interest to the paper. So it's not just plain paper like when I do my waterfalls and stuff. I was loving this with the summer album, and like I said, I included it in another album I did as well, where I was able to use up some of the colors. But like, it's slightly distressed and it looks textured even though it's smooth. But I don't know if you guys could tell, it definitely looks textured. So look, already we have 3 different shades of blue right there to mix and match. And I think there's more. Look at all of this, all different shades of blue. Like, I love that. You could like truly pick the color that you really need. And look at this red. See how distressed it is? I don't know if you guys could tell. It's lighter on the top, then goes darker. And I actually really liked that in when I did my last album. Like, I loved that. It added interest to the paper. Even this like slightly like polka dot kind of texture on it, or not, it doesn't have a texture, it's smooth, but like slightly polka dot like printedness. I just actually really liked that. And I don't know, maybe that's just the way that the printer does it, or if it's an actual design. I have no idea, but I really do like it. All right, here's some more blues. Look at all of these blues, you guys. Look, see? I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And then we got some more reds. Look at these different shades of red. So we got those, and we got more blues. This one's literally just reds and blues for this one. I liked how the other one had like a larger variety, but then again, this one is just red, white, and blue for this. So yeah, I do love it though. Look at all of that. So we got all of those colors, and you get 3 or 4 of each color to make 32 sheets. So I love that. I'm loving this collection. I can't wait to show you guys what I create with that. And let me know if you guys also got the July box. I know some of you guys wanted to get the June box. Let me know if you guys also got the July box, because it is gorgeous. Loving it so much. So let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye.